serious question for my Dominicans. How do you guys come from such a beautiful island? People. How do you guys come from such a beautiful island, but somehow you ended up in Bronx, New York? Spooky.
That place is not where Dominicans live. That is where you go on vacation. Most Dominicans will never be able to afford a resort in Punta Cana. They will probably go to Boca Chica or the less expensive places if they have the opportunity to go to a resort. I'm not saying that the vacation Dominican Republic is fake. What I'm saying is that it's not a fair representation of how Dominicans actually live. The majority of Dominicans have never been to a resort. The average Dominican go to the beach. Yes, of course, they go to the beach. They go to Boca Chica. They go to the beaches in their communities. But I'm talking about like going on vacation to a resort in Punta Cana. Most Dominicans have never been to Punta Cana at a resort on a vacation, and they will never be able to afford it unless, the daughter or the son, they make some money and they take their parent. But the majority will not be able to afford it, and that's a fact. Even though this is an island, meaning it is surrounded by water, the ocean, all right, where there is unlimited food and resources to eat, fish is not cheap here. It is kind of expensive, and depending the quality of fish, it is gonna be more expensive. In general, seafood is not unexpensive. Is actually expensive for the regular Dominican to afford it. So most Dominicans, I'm talking about the general population, like the average Dominican, they are not able to afford seafood or fish for lunch or dinner. It's luxury. It's a luxury food, believe it or not. Even though this is an island, you probably think that people actually, the regular people eat a lot of fish here. But no. Where do Dominicans actually live? Where do they go? Yes, I have been for a couple of days recording a couple of videos of random Dominicans situations where the average Dominican is, works, lives, etc., etc. So you can take a look and see that why it is that people migrate and why they go to other countries. And you will see people that will never go to a resort. I want you to really see the Dominican faces, like how the regular Dominican live and what they do and how it looks outside of the resort. How does the Dominican people look under day-to-day lives? I want you to see their faces.
A los skateboard. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Tú eres
feliz?
Yes.
¿Qué es la felicidad para ti?
For me, happiness is staying healthy and having what I need to buy food, not having problems with anyone, and trying to be a better person every day. And if I get angry with someone, I grab my skateboard and come here to vent. $500 a month.
Muchas gracias. ¿Qué es la felicidad para usted?
Be at peace.
El dinero y la felicidad.
Money is necessary to be happy, but it is not everything. Yes.
Gracias. ¿Qué es lo que es? ¿Me va a hacer eso el hombre? ¿El domingo?
Yes.
¿Qué es la felicidad para usted?
Para mí,
For me, happiness is being with my family,
familia,
all united, and that's it.
¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo fue que tú dijiste? Espérate, termina de comer y vuelve y repítelo. Repítelo, a ver. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Y dónde fue que tú escuchaste eso?